Language. Download PDF. Watch. Edit. Maman Transel. Uncle A is a 2025 Indian Tamil language action drama film directed by Prasant Pandyaraj, from a story written by Suri and produced by K. Kumar under Lark Studios. The film stars Suri alongside Rajkiran, Aishwarya Lakshmi, Swasika, Bala Saravanan, Baba Bhaskar, Vijay Chandrasekhar, Nikhila Sanka and Geeta Kalasan. 3. Maman. Theatrical release poster. Directed by Prasant Pandyaraj. Screenplay by Prasant Pandyaraj. Story by Suri. Produced by K. Kumar. Starring Suri, Rajkiran, Aishwarya Lakshmi, Swasika. Cinematography Dinesh Purushottam. Edited by Ganesh Siva. Music by Hesham Abdul Wahab. Production company Lark Studios. Distributed by Shri Kumaran Films. Release date the 16th of May 2025. Running time 151 minutes. 1. Count Triangular Tamil box office test 40 crore rupees. 2. Maman released worldwide on the 16th of May 2025 in theaters to mixed reviews from critics. Plot. Edit. In Trichy, Girija, Inba's sister, faces verbal taunts and abuse from her mother-in-law for being childless after over 10 years of marriage, despite seeking medical treatment and visiting temples. However, her life takes a turn when she confirms her pregnancy at a baby shower function and later gives birth to a baby boy, Nilan Laddu. During this time, Inba's caring nature towards his sister catches the attention of Girija's doctor, Rekha, who develops feelings for him. As Inba and Rekha grow closer, they fall in love. Despite initial hesitation from Rekha's parents, they eventually approve of their marriage. As Inba and Rekha prepare to tie the knot, Laddu becomes a precocious and adamant presence in their lives, often inserting himself between the couple. During the wedding ceremony and even on their first night, Laddu insists on staying between Inba and Rekha. The couple tries to adjust to having Laddu by their side, but they struggle to find private moments amidst the chaos of family gatherings. In an attempt to find some intimacy, Inba takes Rekha to his grandfather's room, but their plans are foiled when the old court breaks, embarrassing them in front of their relatives. The family plans a honeymoon trip for the newlyweds, but Laddu's antics lead to its cancellation. An argument ensues between Inba and Rekha, with Rekha feeling that Inba prioritizes Laddu over her. In a heated moment, Inba swears to never meet Rekha again, but he along with his family later apologizes and convinces her to reconcile. The tension between Inba and Rekha escalates as Inba continues to prioritize Laddu, making Rekha express her desire for private time with Inba, but feels it's impossible with Laddu's constant presence. The situation worsens as Rekha distances herself from Girija. A misunderstanding leads Girija to believe that Rekha called Laddu mental, causing a heated argument between Girija and her mother. Rekha explains that she said Laddu is hyperactive and needs counseling only, but Girija refuses to accept her explanation. The conflict peaks at Laddu's ear-piercing ceremony, where Girija accuses Rekha of insulting her son, with Girija chasing Inba and Rekha out of the ceremony and hitting her own son. Meanwhile, Rekha receives a transfer order to Madurai. Inba's father-in-law meets him, highlighting the importance of Ravi, Laddu's father, being involved in his son's life. Inba realizes the importance of balance and decides to move to Madurai with Rekha. Meanwhile, Laddu becomes troubled and weepy, missing Inba. As Inba and Rekha settle into their new life, they grow closer, and Rekha becomes pregnant. However, Rekha discovers that Girija had told Laddu that Inba had died and the child had been mourning him. Rekha is furious, and a confrontation ensues. Inba and his mother, who knew this already, are speechless. Girija pleads with her mother that she didn't do it and